Morning congestion of the roads in the high Weald villages can be reduced by using the walking bus, which operates in many village primary schools. One of the best ways of enjoying the beauty of the high Weald landscape is on foot or bicycle. Why not think about leaving the car at home or using public transport when planning your next trip out?
I can do everything I want to do using the bicycle, and sometimes augmented by the train. I prefer, if I'm travelling greater distances, to take the bicycle on the train, and then you've got a very convenient sort of door-to-door way of travelling. You cycle to the station, you catch a train somewhere, and you cycle at the other end, and it's quick and convenient.
Continued burning of fossil fuels contributes to climate change and releases poisons into the atmosphere, both of which can have an effect on the landscape and its wildlife. To reduce this effect on our local as well as national landscape, we need to reduce our energy needs and identify renewable sources.
All the park buildings, the countryside centre, the public toilets, workshop and 2 staff cottages are all heated by renewable energy in the form of wood chip. This is local timber. It's offcuts from a local sawmill, and it's wood that's grown on the estate, so it's sustainable and renewable.
If you're thinking of reviewing your household energy needs, why not consider renewable energy solutions such as a wood burner, wind power, or solar-powered heating?
In the 1960s and 70s, you had about 2 inches of insulation in your loft, which is what we had when we first came here. We've now increased that to 270 mil. Well, in fact, we've put 270 mil on top of the existing, taking it up to nearly a foot of insulation. Very noticeable difference that has. And every single nook and cranny in the whole roof is all fully insulated. We've double glazed the house, and although that's a very expensive exercise, well worth it. The comfort level of the house definitely increased. We've gone through the entire house, got rid of every conventional light bulb and gone for low energy light bulbs, which cuts the lighting bill down to 1/5 of its original level. So then we started generating our own power. So we've got a 450 watt bank of PV panels in the vegetable garden and a wind turbine. They both feed into a bank of batteries and then into the house lighting circuit of the house. So all the downstairs, all the lighting in the downstairs of the house, which is probably about 90% of what we actually use, is generated from the sun and the wind. We've got a big wood burning stove in our small room, which is in the centre of the house, and when we get that going, that heats the whole downstairs of the house without any problem at all, and the heat drifts upstairs and heats the upstairs as well.
By reviewing our transport and energy needs and reducing our reliance on diminishing resources, we can all make a difference at a local as well as a national level.